Welcome to second part of nomenclature. Previous video lo name of the carbon compound ki కొన్ని rules మాట్లాడుకున్నాం. Number of carbon atoms ఉంటే ఒక carbon atom with two carbon atoms each like that. Main functional groups ఉంటే వాటికి names ఎలా ఇవ్వాలి? Alcohol OH OL, which means last two letters. Aldehyde CHOAL, starting two letters. Carboxylic acid COOH, oic acid. Ketone CO, last three letters 4. Simply ol, all, oic acid, one. These are the functional groups. Now let us do some examples. We'll get clarity. Here there are 4 examples which are related to 4 main functional groups. See, first CH3 single bond, CH2 single bond, CH2 CHO. First, this is called main carbon chain. Main carbon chain. మనం చూడగానే ఫస్ట్ మెయిన్ ఫంక్షనల్ గ్రూప్ ఏంటో ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఇందులో మెయిన్ ఫంక్షనల్ గ్రూప్ CHO. CHO means aldehyde. CHO. What we need to write? Al as suffix. As suffix means at the end of the name. Then how many carbons? First 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons. 4 carbons means but. But. All are single bonds. All are single bonds. If single bonds are there, just we need to write An, then CHO. CHO means aldehyde. Al we need to write. So Al. Now remove all the hyphens. Simply butanal. So the name of the compound is butanol. Right? Again say. First, second example. CH3 single bond, CH2 single bond, CH2 single bond, COOH. If all are single bonds, nothing is there. And main functional group is COOH. First, count the number of atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, say 4 means but. See, but. All are single bonds. An, COOH. For COOH, what we need to write? Oic acid. Oic acid. Just remove all the hyphens. If you remove all the hyphens, see, butanoic acid. Butanoic acid. Right? Then simply first one CHO functional group Al, butanol. Second one COOH functional group butanoic acid. Third one OH is there. Here majority of the children are doing the mistake here. What is that? Never give the number for OH because generally మనం numbers ఇచ్చేది దేనికి? కార్బన్ అటమ్స్ కి. ఇక్కడ కార్బన్ అటమ్ లేదు. సో దట్ 1, 2, 3, 4 same. But single bonds An, OH for OH alcohol, last 2 letters we need to add. OL. Simply butanol. Got it? Next, C double bond O. C double bond O means ketone, last 3 letters. How it is? See, 1, 2, 3, 4 again. But, single bonds, and one more. Here this is not considered as alkene. Alkene. So if double bond is present in the main functional group, it is not at all considered as alkene. Now, all are single bonds, A and same, ketone, O-N-E, simply butanone. Butanone. Right? So here, like this, all are, I have taken 4 carbon atoms. But. Depends upon the main functional group, the name completely changed. Alcohol, Al, butanol. Butanoic acid, COOH. Butanol. Butanone. Butanone. Yes. ఇప్పటి వరకు 4 ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశాను కదా. ఇప్పుడు ఒక 5 ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ నేను ఇస్తాను. వాటి ఆన్సర్స్ మీరు కామెంట్ బాక్స్లో టైప్ చేసి ఆన్సర్స్ పెట్టండి. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 5, CH3 సింగిల్ బాండ్, CH2 సింగిల్ బాండ్, CH2 సింగిల్ బాండ్, CH2 single bond, CH. Write the answer for this. 6th one, CH3, CH2, C double bond O, CH2, CH2, CH3. And 7th one, CH3, CH2, 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 OH. 8th one, CH3, CH, COOH. 9th one, CH3, COH, CH3OH. 10th one, CH3, C double bond O, CH3. So for these 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, write the names of the compounds and comment in comment box. And one more, if you want complete explanation of this nomenclature, please comment. I will shoot full session on this, and this is just మీ అర్థం చేసుకోవడానికి సింపుల్గా చెప్పాను. ఇంకా చాలా మోడల్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఓకే, అండ్ ట్రై టు అండర్స్టాండ్ ద కాన్సెప్ట్, పాస్ చేసుకొని స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్ అర్థం చేసుకుంటే చాలా ఈజీ అవుతుంది. ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ subscribe my channel for more videos in simple way, all the physics and chemistry topics. Thank you.